Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 7th chapter coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 12. Before going to start our class, let us learn one and only one formula to solve exercise problems. It is very necessary to us in this chapter. Here distance from the points. See here I am taking points as here A and here B. Between these is called as distance, and here A containing x1 y1 and B containing x2 y2. When we mix these only we can get the distance formula. AB is equals to root this B first term minus A first term, that means x2 minus x1 whole square plus B second term minus A second term y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a distance formula. Now see here exercise 11.1, 12th problem. Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. Now based on this question, let us, what is given here? Circle. Let us draw a circle, and what is given here? Let us write it is a C, that means center of a circle. See here it is a center of a circle, and what is given here? Center of a circle points are 3, 2 and passes through minus 5, 6. See here on the circle it will be passes where, let us draw a line here. See this point is minus 5, 6. Now what is given in this circle? Let us write that. Given a circle with center, let us write it as an A and it has an B. Center of a circle, what is the points here? 3, 2 and passes through B. What is that? Minus 5, 6. Now what is the distance here is called as radius. See here, observe here. See here, why it can be called as radius? The point between the distance between C2, that means center of circle, to here it is line passing through the passing on the circle, so it is called as a radius. See what is the radius here? AB, that means this point and this point. Now we have to find the distance of from A to B. What is the distance? Let us find that. Distance of a point from center of circle. From where we have to find the distance? From center of circle to B. B is nothing but passing through the point on the circle. Now you already know the distance formula. Distance formula. AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now same as it is formula I am written here. See, observe this. It is a circle and it is a formula. Now between which we have to find the distance? A and B. First of all let us write the points of A and B. What is A points are? 3, 2. B points are minus 5, 6. Now see here A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2. In A 2 terms are there, B 2 terms are there. Let us write that 2 terms here. See, in the place of 3 I am written here x1. In the place of 2 I am written here y1. Minus 5 x2, 6 as y2. Now let us substitute these values in this distance formula. AB is equals to x2 is minus 5, x1 is 3. x2 minus x1 is nothing but minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 6, y1 is 2. 6 minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, nothing but. Now minus 5 minus 3. Now we have to add this. 5 plus 3, 8. So here it is minus, so I am written here minus. Minus 8 whole square plus 6 minus 2, 4 whole square. Minus 8 whole square can be written as, see, minus 8 is multiplying 2 times. 2 times here. That means minus 8 into minus 8. Minus into minus plus 8 8s are 64. Now 4 square is nothing but 4 into 4. That means 4 is multiplying 2 times. 4 into 4, 16. Now in the place of minus 8 whole square, I am written here 64. In the place of 4 square, I am written here 16. 64 plus 16, 80. Now 80 is not in the form of perfect square. So let us write this 80 as a perfect squares. Now for writing 80 as a perfect squares, we have to write the factors of 80. 80 factors are 1 into 80, 2 into 40, 4 into 20, 5 into 16, 8 into 10. See here, nothing but 4 into 20, 80 only now. 5 into 16, 80. 8 into 10, 80. Between these all factors, we have to find the perfect square. See here, 1 is not a perfect. 1 can be written as perfect square. 1, you leave it first of all. 2, not perfect square. 40 also not perfect square. Now 4, perfect square, because 4 can be written as 2 square. The numbers which are written in the form of squares, it is perfect squares. Now 20 not perfect square. Between these two numbers, only 1 is perfect square also means we can write here. Next number 5 into 16, 5 and 16 is there. 5 is not perfect square, 16 is perfect square, because 16 can be written as 4 square. 8 not perfect square, 10 also not perfect square. Between these two, I have to pick one. It is a greatest. So I am picking this 5 and 16. In the place of 80, I am written here 5 into 16. Because 5 into 16, 80 only no. Now I am separating the roots. Root 5 into root 16. Root 5 into 16 can be written as 4 square. Square root cancel. Root 5 into 4 is nothing but 4 root 5. What is the distance of AB? 4 root 5. If you not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. And if you not liked my channel, so please give me a thumbs up. And if you not shared my video, so please keep sharing. The more you share, the more you get. Thank you for watching.